Tesla has lifted the covers off their new Model Y, which could become the brand's cheapest electric car road vehicle when it goes on sale in autumn 2020. Tesla's Model Y is the group's first compact crossover and could hit the market for an affordable £36,000 to become the cheapest model in the luxury brand's range. The vehicle promises a range of up to 300 miles, with Tesla saying the vehicle will hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Model Y will be the first vehicle built at Tesla's new European Gigafactory when it opens in Berlin in 2021. Elon Musk's long-range variant of the Model Y will have a top speed of 130 miles per hour and will feature a 300-mile range on all-electric power. The performance model will hit the market for around £46,000 and will offer a top speed of 150 miles per hour alongside a 280-mile range. The vehicle will take inspiration of Tesla's Model X design with narrow LED headlights coupled with a blanked-off radiator grille. Similarities with the Model X continue inside, with capacity for 7 people as an optional extra for those who wish to use the machine for longer journeys. Tesla's Model 3 interior returns with a wireless phone charger coupled with a 15-inch screen which promises to control all elements of the car. The Model Y will be the firm's second all-electric SUV but promises to have the capability of a sports car to convince petrolheads to purchase the new machine. Tesla's Model Y will be capable in all weather, and a super traction control setting will maintain stability through challenging condition. All new Tesla models come with a range of advanced technological features to boost safety, and the Model Y is no different. Emergency braking technology will feature alongside collision warning systems and blind spot monitoring. The new Model Y will have a self-driving capability which will eventually allow driverless travel on city streets in a major technological breakthrough. Tesla's connected cars policy will introduce new features and performance upgrades to a vehicle remotely, in another technological advancement new Model Y owners could enjoy. A Deutsche Bank analyst has claimed Tesla is ahead of their original schedule and the models could be available in the first quarter of next year. Tesla has consistently said the new Model Y was ahead of schedule but would likely be ready in the summer of 2020. Elon Musk said, "We're also ahead of schedule on Model Y preparations in Fremont, and we've moved the launch timeline from fall 2020 to summer 2020. There may be some room for improvement there, but we're confident about summer 2020." The Model Y will compete directly with affordable SUV models such as the Kia e-Niro and Hyundai Kona. In comparison, the Kia e-Niro can achieve a range of up to 282 miles on a single charge for the price tag of just under £35,000. Hyundai's Kona is the cheapest of the three options with a £32,995 price tag but has the lowest range with just 245 miles on a single charge. The Kona's acceleration rate stands at 7.6 seconds and has a top speed of 104 miles per hour in two figures, which shadow Tesla's Model Y stats. The vehicle will likely be pitched as an affordable luxury SUV model in contrast to their Model X and Model 3 designs. Tesla has achieved success in the UK after August's SMMT data revealing the firm's Tesla 3 model saw the highest sales of any vehicle across the country in the month. Electric car sales have soared over the past year as data shows a 135.6% rise in registrations of dually electric models so far this year. Please like and subscribe.